Alright, drivers ready?
Yep.
Watch the light. Alright, watch the light. That time was screaming. Alright, drivers ready?
Yep.
Watch the light. Alright, drivers ready?
Yep.
Watch the tree. Ready?
Yep.
Watch the tree. Alright, drivers ready? Watch the tree.
Wow. How did we run? Wow. 244, 242. That was a whole shot.
Drivers ready? Watch the light.
Kev tried to come out hard on your ass that one. I can tell.
Alright, drivers ready? Watch the light.
Kev took it easy on you that one. Watch your lights. $55 at 27. Check how John pulled up today, huh? Check that thing out, huh? Oh, John. What's going on?
Hey, Daddy's car.
Yeah, that's what's up. I like that. That's nice. Father and son, man. What a scene. What a scene to see. Father and son. Yeah, they was telling me. Check the AC out in the car, right? Look at the window. It opens in the front. That's crazy. That's AC. That's crazy. Look at that thing. That thing is a beauty.
Back in the day, AC. Oh, yeah.
Ready? Watch the light. Hit hard. 463. What? Drivers ready?
Yep.
Watch the light. Watch the light.
My shit. Me? I overheated. Woo! Woo! I didn't even see you. I was pressing the button. I turned around and went, ooh.
I didn't even see him until it turned green.
Yeah.
I was like,
Drivers ready? Watch your lights. .26 at 55. You are not breaking at 55 miles an hour. Kev, you ran 273 at 59. My shit came out hard as hell.
watch the light.
Not by much, right?
Drivers ready?
Yep.
Watch the light.
Watch your lights. That was a run. 243 at 60 miles an hour. I'm ready.
Watch the light.
180. 88.
Yep.
Right.
Is that gears?
Yeah, I just blew one out, changed it and blew another one. Yeah. That's what happened when you put more power to shit.
No, I know.
Yep. You got me off the light, good. Yeah. I left the screwdriver in there.
But what did I do if I thought you said you were ready.
I was. I forgot I ain't plugging my booster. I would have lost reception. This shit would have run straight into the wall. Yep.
Kevin went through slowly just think this is fast.
Yep. Ooh. Benji looked back real quick. You know that car come. Yep.
You have to let out big time. Fuck, that's a monster. You're gonna be a warming up monster guy.
I had to turn it. I had it in New York, so it's different altitude, and I had to play with the tune.
That's what sucks about gas motors. That's the only thing I don't like. Is that, you know what I mean? One day it'll work, the next day it won't. And
But
especially if you do something like that and change big time.
Yeah, I beat the living shit out that car though.
Yeah.
It takes it, yeah. Let me straighten up because I know Kevin want to get out of
Sounds
it.
like a monster.
It had a little rinky-dink ass pipe on there. So now, look at the pipe hole. See how big that shit is?
Yeah.
And they don't come like that. This is a special ripple pipe.
Yeah, oh, I've seen the rubber pipes.
That's why that shit sound like that. And if you listen to the tune, every time I let go of the throttle, it drops right back to idle. That's a perfect tune. That's a two-stage tune. When it keeps in idling, that's what they call it, a two-stage tune.
I don't know much about it. I just used to race like that's in the stadium.
Yeah.
Dirt. Loose dirt, big track.
Well, I've been doing nitro since I was a kid.
My motor always ran good. But I mean,
I've been into nitro so long that when I was in high school, I made them start a nitro class where kids bring their nitro cars to school.
that's cool.
And talk about it and help them fix it. We'll go out after school and race them shits in the parking lot.
That'd be cool as shit though.
Hell yeah, in school, you know. So I've been into that, and that was before electric and shit. You had brush motors.
Yeah,
You know, you could order motors online. They come with bigger motors and had more power.
Take less tension off the springs. And
Yeah,
power.
yeah.
But no, yeah. I used to put the comments and everything and see what Scott's that. I used to work there. I used to do everything.
So you used to, you know what's going on.
Yeah, with that stuff.
Yeah.
That stuff's going moving. Only a year in, and you're still learning.
Butts light.
Woo, hell of a drive, John. Damn, Benji, you had to fuck up the video, huh? 224 at 68. Nice one, John.
Lots of light.
John making a heavy pass here. Heavy. Woo, look at that. Heavy pass. Heavy pass, John. Nice run. Hey, listen, Kev, I didn't even know this seat was back here, all right? This is a nice seat. Kev goes, it's the mother-in-law seat.
Mother-in-law seat right there.
Ah, that's nice though that it got a seat in the back, man. Real-
It's a street rod. It's not a drag.
That's sick. 100 on the dash, y'all. 100 on the dash.
We really got old in a long time with it.